Helo, Gwyn Cymraeg yma a heddiw dwi'n chwarae Minecraft Story Mode. Dwi erioed wedi chwarae hwn o blaen. Gawn ni weld. Dechrau wan. Mynd i fewn i'r gêm edrych diddorol. Sapio chwarae. Iawn. Order of the Stone. Reit.
Would you rather fight 100 chicken-sized zombies
Ooh.
than zombie-sized chickens? Just to be clear, we don't have any weapons or armor. Huh? What? It's just a dumb question. I've got a light sensor on the roof. If we do this right, the lamp should turn on when it gets dark. I do nothing wrong with it.
He's coming with us?
Really?
What kind of question is that? Of course he is.
Okay, I'm not saying he shouldn't come. I'm not. But don't you think it's a little weird that you take him with you everywhere you go? He kind of makes us look like, I don't know,
People love pigs.
amateurs.
He's my wingman. People always want to talk to the girl with the pig.
You mean talk about the girl with the pig? Like, look at the weird girl with the weird pig? How weird.
Mean.
I didn't mean anything by it. I'm glad he's coming. I just don't want to give people one more reason to call us losers. I'm getting tired of it.
Who cares what they
Who
think?
cares what other people think?
I know. I'm just... Where's your dad?
You say you're not a loser, Olivia. So win.
Okay. Fine.
Let me. Their eyebrows off.
No.
Wow. Oh, bechod. Oh, wow.
What's the matter with you?
Great. Now I'm gonna smell
Cool
like
mask.
Cool mask.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah,
Looks all of my
very convincing.
accent.
The look on your faces.
Did you bring the fireworks?
Of course I did. Maybe brought something
Fireworks?
for the little guy.
Nice.
En nu wil ik wel fireworks in Minecraft.
We're going to a convention.
Oh.
Somebody's got to wear a costume.
Enderpig.
As long as Ruben is
If
happy,
he's
I'm happy.
happy, I'm happy.
Well, zippity-doo-dah. Okay, relax. Fine.
You definitely brought the fireworks, right?
Yes, I'm ready. Waiting on you
Ter
guys.
mundo bravo.
Now he's your wingman.
Stop.
Hurry up and grab your stuff.
We'll meet you downstairs, okay?
Okay.
Ydy fanna dungeon o. Wel, ar y funud. Reit dda. Drag yn mwyr. Ww. Dwi eisiau gael y sword. Beth
I
ydy
got
hwn?
the stand as a gift, but I don't have any armor to put on it. Maybe someday.
Ww, mae'n a chest. Na?
Shears. Definitely taking these. Never know when I might need to shear some sheep.
Eich mae siarad bed. Oh, poster.
Gabriel the warrior. Do you think we'll ever get that famous?
Hmm.
It's not impossible. Maybe I'll get famous for my sweet.
Sut bod y mochyn yn dalt o? Ie. O, sy'n y chest yna.
Flint and steel, not too shabby.
Ww. Eich mae'n ffeindio TNT. Poster arall.
One of these days, we're gonna win Endercon building competitions.
Yna sandcastle. Ie.
People will look at us and say, "Hey, there goes Jesse
Really
and
cool.
Ruben, winners of the Endercon building competition."
Ww. O, mae'n gallu gwneud rhywbeth efo mochyn.
Give me a dragon roar, Ruben.
Cool. Cute.
That'll do, Ruben. That'll do.
Ydy enw'r mochyn Reuben? Ie. O, mae'r trapdoor, ie? Ie. Wow. Dyn nhw'n mynd lawr fains?
That's everything.
Dwi'n meddwl, neu ystod.
Let's roll.
Yeah, dude. Roll.
Let's go.
I heard a pretty juicy rumor about the building competition, but you guys have to promise not to say anything.
Okay.
Also, it's in 2 parts. Each part more exciting than the last.
Spit it out, Axel.
Part 1, the special guest at this year's Entercon is none other than Gabriel the Warrior him freaking self.
Whoa. What's part 2?
Part 2, according to my sources, the winner of the building competition is going to get to meet.
Di o'n ei bodybuilding,
Doesn't
ti'n
mean
meddwl?
anything if we
Dwi'n meddwl.
lose. But if we win,
Na I just did dim byd.
this will make up for all the losing. Man, we have to really try to win this year.
Dwi'n meddwl mae o'n ei bodybuilding.
So, does this source of yours make posters for a living?
Huh?
Wow.
Wow.
My
Dwi'n meddwl
source
os y posters.
doesn't
Oh, maen nhw'n
fit
sold
the
out.
list.
So.
You guys are my only friends.
Guys,
Oh,
let's
okay.
stay focused. We have a competition to win.
We never win.
A mae mochyn
And
mor
this year we've got
cute.
Ruben with us. We basically have no
Ruben.
chance.
Have a little...
We'll win
We're
this
going
time.
to win. Because...
What are you talking about?
Because up to now, we've hated losing. But today, my friends, we're going to start learning how to love winning. That didn't sound as good as it did in my head.
No, I'm with that.
Wait a minute.
Pwy ti'n ffilm ei
Wait a
actor
minute.
i'r pig?
We're thinking about this all wrong. The point of the building competition isn't just to build something. You have to do something to get noticed by the judges.
Okay then. So how do we do this?
We don't just build something functional. We build something fun. After we finish the fireworks machine like we planned, then we build something cool on top of it.
You might be onto something.
If we want to get a reaction out of the judges, you build something scary. So I say we build a creeper.
Wouldn't an Enderman be better? I'm more scared of Endermen than creepers.
I think dwi'n meddwl na Enderman y bigorau.
Pretty scary.
Endermen are
Let's
cool.
build an Enderman.
Olivia's thing?
Are you whining?
No, I was saying, awesome.
Yeah. I think this is the first time we've decided on something before getting to the competition. Think we've got everything we need?
It wouldn't hurt to grab a little more.
Let's get to grabbing then.
We're so prepared. We can't lose. Cannot. Bring it in.
Aww.
Dare to prepare on 3. Nope. Preparing is daring. Nope. That's the same thing. Forget it. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team!
There.
Sut bod y mochyn yn gwybod sut i'n neud hynna?
Ia, deall nhw.
O, dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n gorau bildio fe. Rocky. Sut mae'n un? Montage.
Wow. Wow, sy'n chi dal o wet yma. Edrych ar yma.
Dwi'n meddwl na bach ydy'r mochyn.
Come on. Dig. Wel, mae'n afast. Si ar ffyr gyda'n bo man.
Dwi isio gweld sut mae hyn yn troi allan.
Ie, mae'n edrych yn cool i fynd rwan.
Ie. Y montage bach.
Lle mae dillad o pig? Lle mae wings o?
Wel, ar y funud mae reit dda.
Got all the stuff for it. We are so
No,
ready.
mae hwnna wedi cael
This
dillad
year,
yn ôl.
it's going to be different. I'm not just ready to build. I'm ready to win.
Mae'n wir.
Nice pig. Losers. Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots.
Oh, well.
Rivalry continues.
Man, they've got matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Well. If it isn't the order of the losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers. Let's go, guys.
Mae'n wir.
Ie, maen nhw'n cyn.
Axel.
Shwyd.
How do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name. We are not ready for this.
Yeah, the nether.
So much for losing anonymously.
We're the Nether Maniacs.
You just thought of that right now?
Yup. We've never even been to the Nether.
Who the Nether cares?
Okay, Nether Maniacs, you guys are in booth 5.
Dwi'n nofel neu rhywbeth.
Na. Gallai oedd yn capeltan. Cool.
Beth yna? Ti eisiau fo?
Jukebox.
Ti agor chest? Wait.
Nope.
Ti bod yn y ffyrnes?
It's like everyone in town is here.
Be di hwn? Booth 2.
Tools 2. Check os mae llawn.
Click.
Di hwn yn bad, na dyn?
Na, ni meddwl booth 5. O, mae'n siŵr da ni'n gorau ffindio booth 5. Ie. Dwi'n...
Booth 4, da ni'n agos. Na, fan'na felly mae'r pobl gas yma. Booth 5.
Na fa yma, da ni eisiau mynd. Fa yma lle mae tîm ni a pethau.
Ew.
Is that a freaking beacon? They have a freaking beacon?
Beacon?
Freaking beacon?
That's stained
Whoa.
glass.
Oh.
They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon.
Cool.
O, da ni... Our,
We're gonna lose.
our design
Our
is way
design
cooler.
is way cooler. A gigantic Enderman is better than a fancy light.
Their difficulty score is going to be higher than our total score.
But we've got something they don't. Fireworks.
We should
Yeah,
probably
no,
stop
fireworks,
staring
then.
at
Ond
them.
i weld hwn yn deud rhywbeth neis.
Look, it's the order of the losers again.
Good one, Gil.
We're just looking.
There'll be plenty of time for you all to look at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you.
Yeah,
EnderCon doesn't
surely.
allow outside food or drink.
Oh.
I'm talking about your pig.
Shut up.
What's that?
Jesse said, shut up. Do you need to hear it again?
I don't know. Maybe.
Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do.
Mae un boi actually'n iawn.
Hey, Josie. Guys. Hey, Petra. How's the build going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that nether star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a problem.
Help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
None of us know where
Un
to
o
find
i'r neddw star yn nhw'n gael adeiladu'r beacon felly.
No hard feelings, guys.
Ella.
If you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and,
Did you
you know,
find some nice?
make this about how cool our builds are.
May the best team win.
Careful what you wish for.
Ooh.
We'll see about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon.
Wait, da ni'n go...
Will also meet
EnderCon?
in person
Reference i
Gabriel the
Minecon.
Warrior.
Ie.
Da ni actually'n gorau bildio'r thing.
Ocelots. Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it
Warrior Whip.
the Warrior Whip.
Am na hi sy'n dewis bob
And
dim.
just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that.
No one will remember that.
Just stick to the plan, and everything will be fine. This year, the Nether Maniacs can't lose.
Oh.
Dyma'r neddw
Let's do
maniac efo Warrior Whip.
Starts now.
Mae'n dechrau rwan.
O na, da ni actually gorau bildio.
Oh no, a fireworks dispenser. I'm so scared.
You worry about your build, and we'll worry about ours.
Mae nhw'n cool.
Dwi'n meddwl i gwybod. Oh no.
Mae nhw'n edrych fo rwan, yr Enderman hi hun.
Enderman y City Fireworks.
Wow.
Nice.
Hwna. Nhw'n edrych ar yn pawb.
And now, the moment of truth.
Here goes nothing.
Dwi'n meddwl...
Wow, so weithio fi.
This looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
You gotta admit, this Enderman is sweet. Good call, Jesse.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man. What? Way.
Mae nhw
It's just a
dda.
bunch of dyed wool. Whoops.
O, mae'n am...
Oh no!
Mae'n
Ruben's
cas.
on fire! Ruben, no! Come back!
It was Aiden, that
The
punk.
lava's getting closer.
It ruined the build.
Ruben's going to get lost. We've got to do something.
We've got to get
Oh.
Ruben.
O, ffyw, o'n i'n meddwl sa'n i gorau seifio fo.
Mae'n ffynnu.
Aw.
We're right behind you.
Maybe them.
Your friends came with you to help.
Ti'n meddwl wneith yr ffair i'w spredio?
Neith. Neith o mawl i'r rhan fwy o'n rhaid.
I don't see